collections, classics, customs, restorations. This is Crossroads Speed Shop. Recently, Diecast CarNet put out a challenge for the daughter of Charles at Charles Diecast Garage. It was to show the food trucks and also to show you Ford GTs for Charles to have. Charles's daughter is recovering from surgery, and so I don't have a lot of Ford GTs or food trucks, but I thought I would just put them together and put this little video together. This is a Ford GT Mark IV, and it's got the Golf livery. And this is another Ford GT, got the PR5s on it. Nice detailing on that one, pretty much. This is a Ford GTX, regular Hot Wheels 5 spokes. Very similar to the one I just showed you, but this, of course, is a convertible. And then another Ford GT40. I like this blue. This blue is really nice. Again, it's got the PR5s on it. That one's really nice. And the last one I have is this 2017 Ford GT black. Again, another nice looking casting. Well, let's take a look. Like I said, I don't have a lot. Most of the food trucks I got came in like lots and stuff. I got them set over here in my diorama. Looks like the police have come and the ambulance is here. Someone must have eaten something from that hot chicken wagon over there. But we're going to take a look at some of the ones the few that I do have. So let's. This one's not really a food truck so much, but it does carry little Debbie's. It's part of a 5 set, I believe. This next one's a Matchbox, and this is an ice cream truck with lace wire wheels. When I look at it, I think it's more like an armored car instead of a food truck, but it is a food truck. And then, of course, the hot chicken wing food truck. And then this is a Hot Wheels. This one's a ribs one. So come and get it. And I have one last one here. It's another ice cream. It's actually an Icy's truck, I believe. So I kept that one because it said Skippers on it and stuff. But well, that's all the ones that I have. Charles, I hope your daughter feels better and recovers real soon. For the rest of you, God bless, and thanks for stopping by the shop.